This video is about automatic transfer of the grades from the ADA Test Center to the main Blackboard page. So on ADA Test Center, there is a smart view at the end of the list, which is called totals and GPA. Here, all the grades from the subjects are collected for all the students in the school. Once it opens, you can see it: biology, foreign languages, geography, etc. So you can download this list. So I will go ahead and download it. And I will download the current view. And it is on my computer. So I will call this one for German final exam. German final exam. And I will put it somewhere in my folders. So it's somewhere in ADA school. So I open it. And once it opens, here there are many grades. As I said, it's for all subjects, for all students. So what you need to do is delete the columns that you are not interested in. So I'll go ahead and delete biology. I'm interested in foreign languages, so I will keep it. I will delete physics, mathematics, if you are not interested in that, and English speaking. Only left is foreign languages. So you can also go ahead and change this title because we want something meaningful in our course when we transfer it there. So I will put it here: final exam, German. German. So I also copy this. I copy this because I will need it later. So this is my list. So student ID must be there, student username must be there, and this is for all the students in the school. So I put it here German because the system will take the German language students only, and I will show you how that happens. I save this on my computer and I exit. Now I go to my course, which is the German language course, and I click on the German language course. Here I am on my course, and I go to Full Grade Center. What is needed to be done, first of all, is to create a new column. You need to create a new column and give it the name of the exact name as you gave before. We will later delete this, but we first need to create it in order for the system to recognize it. So I put here the copied name and score and so on, and possible points. You can put 30, but we will delete this column anyways. So you can just put it. And it's visible to students. So I created this column. When I created the column, it's got this title, as you can see it here. So, all right, as you can see it here, final exam, German. And now I upload the document that I created. I uploaded from my computer, and I know that it was in ADA school, and I called it a German final exam. So when I upload it, so it comes up on my computer, and it shows that the students are not your students. That's fine. So I don't have all the students in my class. I mean, all the students from the school. So I have the students only, and their grades are here. So I submitted. And this creates a new column for me. It's very strange, but it happens. So you can go ahead and delete this column, the one that you created. You can delete that. And now you've got one column only, and this shows the German. So this guy doesn't have a grade, so it's myself actually. So you need to go and edit this a little bit. So what is editing? So that we can show correct information. So the possible points is 30 for this exam. And we want to show to students percentage as well as letter, so that students know what their score has been. So here we go. German final exam, it's been like this, and this is the students' scores. Now the second thing we need to do is connect this to the final grade. So you need to connect it here so that it calculates here. Right now it does not. So I edit this column as well. And here I add in the calculation, as you can see, it's 70%. Now I will add 30% the final exam. So I go to the final exam. I hope I can find it. Final exam German. And I add it here. And here I add 30% so that it affects by 30%. And here we go. Now it affects this grade, so you can check it. And so these are the final grades of my students. Now, this grades that we transferred automatically, you can also do it manually if you like. So this was the automatic version if you want to use this one. Obviously, you can do it manually, and then you need to connect this new column to your my final grade. Now, if a little bit of a check would be useful. So if you are not sure, you can go ahead and check. So I can put this alphabetically to see if indeed these grades are accurate. So I can go to the test center. I can find my class. So my class will be one of these mixed classes. And I can see here that my students got this grades. So let me go to the next page. So German. So let me put it alphabetically. So 50%. This girl, Ayla got approximately 70 something. And so on. So you can go and check it. And if you like, you can even do like this. So that it shows you percentage. You can edit this column, and you can ask the column to do score as well as the percentage for you, so that you can see accurately what's happening. So this girl, Ayla, scored, what is the percentage? Um, 71.6. So let's see if it is accurate here. 70.6. And let's say Farid Bayramov, 75%. And we go here, Farid Bayramov, 75%. So it shows that it's been accurately transferred. Again, you can do it manually. This is just an automatic way. For those teachers who have too many classes, they can do this automatic version. And the document that you have downloaded, you can try it in different courses. The system will select the specific students that are here. Thanks very much.